Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make truffles at home. First, let's prepare the ganache. Gently heat 1 cup of heavy cream until it just begins to simmer. Then, pour the hot cream over 8 ounces of finely chopped chocolate. Let this mixture sit undisturbed for about 5 minutes, allowing the chocolate to melt. Finally, stir it until it's completely smooth and glossy. Now, chill the ganache for at least 2 hours or until firm enough to scoop. Once your ganache is firm, it's time to shape the truffles. Use a small spoon or a melon baller to scoop out portions of the chilled ganache. Quickly roll each portion between your palms to form smooth, 1-inch balls. It's important to work quickly to prevent the ganache from melting too much from the warmth of your hands. Place the finished balls onto a sheet of parchment paper. Now for the fun part, coating your truffles. For a classic look, roll them in unsweetened cocoa powder. If you prefer a crisp shell, dip them into melted tempered chocolate. You can also use finely chopped nuts, shredded coconut, or colorful sprinkles for added texture and visual appeal. Feel free to get creative and try different toppings to customize your homemade treats. Proper storage ensures your truffles stay fresh and delicious. Store your finished truffles in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They will keep well for up to 2 weeks. For the best flavor and texture, allow them to come to room temperature for about 15 to 20 minutes before serving. These homemade truffles are perfect for gifting, entertaining, or simply enjoying as a delightful personal indulgence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.